Arachnophobia, fear of spiders. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Claustrophobia, fear of confined or crowded spaces. Agoraphobia, fear of situations where escape may be difficult or embarrassing. Ophidiophobia, fear of snakes. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Astrophobia, fear of thunder and lightning. Trypanophobia, fear of injections or medical procedures involving needles. Social phobia, fear of social situations or interactions. Glossophobia, fear of public speaking. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness or night. Ailurophobia, fear of cats. Hemophobia, fear of blood. Thanatophobia, fear of death or dying. Entomophobia, fear of insects. Pteromerhanophobia, fear of flying. Athzagoraphobia, fear of being forgotten or ignored. Aquaphobia, fear of water or bodies of water. Chionophobia, fear of snow. Mysophobia, fear of germs or dirt. Erythrophobia, fear of blushing or the color red. Japhirophobia, fear of bridges. Nomophobia, fear of being without mobile phone coverage or fear of not having a mobile phone. Xenophobia, fear of strangers or foreigners. Chronophobia, fear of time or the passage of time. Ergophobia, fear of work or functioning, or the workplace environment. Megalophobia, fear of large objects or things larger than normal size. Triskaidekaphobia, fear of the number 13. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.